if there is one that you're allowed to share without getting a divorce, what's like a fight or an argument that came as a result of the podcast by working with a spouse that maybe the listener should hear to benefit them in case they're going to do it?
I wouldn't say it was a fight. It was definitely a healthy disagreement, but it was in terms of using a calendar. Because so a little bit of background, I've worked from home since the start of the pandemic. Well, a little bit into the pandemic, I did have some responsibility with healthcare facilities, so I had to go into a few when things started. But once I started this job last September, I've been working from home. And, I've gotten accustomed to using my calendar to keep track of meetings, and I put everything in there. So we had some challenges in terms of trying to automate when we're doing interviews with people, because I had to really push Tanya to start using the calendar that I had set up. So we have our account set up through Google, and there's a Google Calendar in there. And my thing was, you got to put, I understand that we're both working on different schedules. She works from home as well. She runs a home daycare. But my thing was, you need to put things in the calendar. I can't schedule people if you're not going to be here. And it's just because she hasn't had to. She's been working from home for the last, I think 5 or 6 years now. And she doesn't need to use a digital calendar to keep track of what she has to do. So had to really kind of get her into that habit. So I'm not booking interviews when she's not going to be here. And, so that was a little bit of a challenge, but we've gotten past that point.